What's up, everyone? My latest little project here is this free push mower. So got it for free. Don't know if it runs, haven't even touched it. Maybe gonna try to get it running. Okay, well, the first thing I always do is just make sure it's got oil in it. Some oil, any oil. Smells like oil. Looks a little over full. That'll do. Alright, before I try really anything else, I'm just going to pull the air cleaner off. And it looks like we have no filter. I'm going to squirt some gas. I just have gas in this oil can. Squirt a little bit of gas in there. And then we'll try to see if it'll start. Kind of started right up, smoked a little, but I think it's because the oil is over full. It looks like there's a little bit of gas in there, and who knows how old that is, so I'm going to just take my big syringe and suck it out. And it'll take a few of these. Looks pretty nasty. Sucked out all the old gas. Let's see if I could do a little seafoam tune-up. Get lucky, probably won't. Just gonna drop a little splashy splash in there. And a little bit of new gas. There we go. I don't have too much faith in this, but it might work. So, that's a primer bulb works. Doesn't seem like it's doing anything, but let's give it a try. Nope. Squirted a little bit more gas in there. Let's see if it'll take off and stay running. Nope, it's only running on what you squirt in there, so I'm guessing the carb's dirty. Guess I'm taking the carb off. And it looks like these are 8mm? Probably not, it's probably not metric. But it's working. This guy off. And that one's a smaller size. Okay, I got different one on there. 9/32 is close. It's still loose, but whatever. We're not building engines here. Looks like we got one more. That was back to around the 8mm size. Oh man, there's another one. Damn it. Okay. Got that off. Looks like we got a plastic carb. Alright, got my weird pliers here. Gonna pull this clamp. Twist it, hopefully without breaking it. And we're gonna probably end up losing some gas. Looks like all that holds this carburetor in is, oh wow, nothing. Looks like there's a vent line missing here. I don't know, weird. Alright, anyway. So after making a big mess with gas getting everywhere, I got the carb off. Linkage off. It's just got one linkage. I don't know where this goes, if this did go anywhere. I don't see anything. But whatever. So I got the fuel line kind of, most of the gas drained out in here. And I guess it's just hanging out there. So hopefully that's good. This looks like this is okay. So I'm going to blow this off with compressed air and then take it to the bench and open her up. Blew this guy down with some compressed air. It actually came really clean. It's not bad on the outside anyway. So I'm just going to zip off these bolts, and it looks like they don't match, so maybe this has been apart before. These are just like coarse screws, I think, because they go into plastic. Yep. It's starting to smell rotten, so maybe it's got some moldy gas in there and gummed up. Ooh, kind of stuck. Let me see if I could. There we go. Kind of coax it. Yeah. It's not bad. Well, I'm going to go and make sure all the holes are open. I'm going to get this float out of here first. Looks like I can probably slide that. Honestly, haven't worked on one of these carbs in a long time. Looks like it just pops up. Come on. Yeah, oh, there's the needle. Pop that out, and then I'm just going to gently pry up on this. Looks like we could get this cartridge out. And this is where the magic happens, I imagine. Your jets and stuff. Inside of here doesn't look too bad. I'll squirt it through real quick. Everything in here looks really good. Actually looks really clean. But these can be deceiving because the holes are really small. So I have my little wire kit here. Go through all these jets. Small hole here. There. I can see through this one. So I'm just gonna squirt a little bit of this through every hole. Goes right in my eyes. Then you know it's good. Well, that's about it for that. I'm just gonna snap this thing back in. Looks like that's all there is to that. And I'll take the needle and seat and this pin here. See if I could get it in there. Oh, lost the pin, of course. There, just pushed on it. So, let's see. One of the things I always like to do when you have this carb apart or not, doesn't matter if it's apart or not, but stick on a piece of hose and blow on it with it facing upside down. Put it upright, fuel flow, turn it around, should stop it dead. Then you know that your needle and seat are good. Alright, I got the bowl back on. I'm just going to squirt inside here real quick and through all these holes. And I think that's good. I'm going to throw this thing back on. Alright, got the carb back on. Still no air filter. Put some gas back in it. This will be my first time trying to start it. Will it start? Who knows? Let's take a look and see. Seems like it started to me. Alright, put some oil in it and now I'm ready to use it. Not bad.